That's Nikki Henderson to the left, who sailed Greta on the right across the Atlantic recently. And here's Professor Fadhel Kaboub. He's a professor of economics at Denison. He, along with Adrian Parr, who lectured last week, Mark Stimson, Nicole Jacobsen, they'll all be lecturing in the GCAS Global Climate Program. And we encourage you to get involved. It's free for the most part, unless you want a certificate. But get involved, learn about the actual facts of climate change, and start to implement plans in your life, but also in strategic ways about how we can address the global climate crisis.